Calcium carbide is an inorganic substance that reacts violently with water immediately, generating acetylene and releasing heat. Calcium carbide is an important basic chemical raw material, mainly used to produce acetylene gas. Also used in organic synthesis, oxygen acetylene welding, etc. Now we are looking at a calcium carbide factory where the workers are packing calcium carbide. Because calcium carbide is placed in the air, it absorbs steam and vaporizes, so it is packed in iron drums. The packed calcium carbide will be sent to a warehouse to be loaded, and then they will be sent to a loading zone to be shipped to various countries.
If you want to know more about our product, please contact us on Alibaba.com.